Dear friends, today, as we come together in a shared moment, let us bask in the beauty of life's endless tapestry. Feel the gentle caress of the wind on your skin, the warmth of the sun on your face, and the rhythm of your heart as it dances to the melody of existence. Life, oh this glorious life, is an ever-changing canvas of emotions and experiences. Embrace each color that paints itself upon your heart, for it is in the contrast that we find our true selves. Every moment, every encounter, every challenge is a precious gift, leading us on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Let us release the burdens of yesterday and the worries of tomorrow, and find solace in the present moment, for it is here, in the now, that the magic of life unfolds. Here, where the past and future merge into the dance of eternity, and we become one with the flow of the universe. Know that you are a magnificent being, crafted with love and purpose. Your dreams, aspirations, and desires are the guiding stars that light your path. Trust in the divine timing of your journey, for you are exactly where you need to be at this moment. Embrace uncertainty, for within it lies the seeds of opportunity and growth. Let us cultivate gratitude in our hearts, for it is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. Each day, let us count our blessings and immerse ourselves in the richness of life's blessings. Remember, dear friends, you are never alone on this journey. The universe, in all its love and wisdom, is conspiring in your favor. The threads of synchronicity weave together the fabric of your dreams, and the whispers of intuition guide you towards your highest potential. As we traverse the ways of life, let us be gentle with ourselves and others. Offer compassion freely, for we all carry our own burdens and hopes. Be a beacon of light for those in need, and in doing so, you shall find your own light shining even brighter in this vast, interconnected web of existence. Your presence matters. Your thoughts, your actions, and your love ripple through the cosmos, touching lives and igniting the flame of hope. So, let your heart be a lighthouse, and let your love be the guiding force that illuminates the paths of others. Together, let us embrace the journey of life with open hearts and open minds. Let us celebrate the uniqueness of each soul and honor the diversity that unites us. And let us, with unwavering faith, walk hand in hand towards a world brimming with compassion, kindness, and love. With boundless love and gratitude, your companion on this journey.